Hello everyone, this is Direwolf20 and welcome to my updated mod spotlight on Computercraft version 1.55. There's a couple different little tweaks, not a huge amount of content added that's completely apparent to you guys, but there's a lot of stuff that was done behind the scenes to add in for peripheral authors and all kinds of cool stuff. So mods like MISC Peripherals by Richard G and some of the other peripheral adding mods got a lot of love in this mod update, but we definitely got a couple really cool add-ons like color turtles. Ooh, can't wait to check those out. So I'll go ahead and show you guys a couple nifty things. There's a new OS pull event, there's a couple other like nifty behind the scenes things, and then resource packs, what I want to show you about. Resource packs is a new thing in vanilla Minecraft 1.6, and Computercraft is taking advantage of it. So I'm going to show you guys all these nifty new gadgets that Computercraft version 1.55 has to offer. Let's get started. Alright guys, so obviously the first thing on our list here is color turtles. So now all the features and awesome things that advanced computers bring you, such as the ability to click on the screen to change your cursor position, and the auto coloring of certain types of text, like strings and the text get turned red, and all that other cool stuff. Comments are turned green, and all that cool stuff. That's all available in turtle form. So you can go ahead and write some turtle programs that output to the screen, and of course, because they are color turtles, you can also have it so that when you output a program, you can also have that in color as well. So for example, if you wanted the output of your program to be in color, that's totally possible. All the colors of the Minecraft world are available to you, obviously. You can go ahead and do whatever you want with colors. How neat is that? So that is what's available with the advanced computers. Obviously, it will make editing your programs on turtles that much easier. So pretty nifty. I'll even show you the color code that I used here. Real simple. Just like you would with an advanced computer, you can go ahead and manipulate your colors with the set text color command. And then you can just write out whatever message you want in that color. Not bad. So that is what's available for advanced computers. Now, speaking of turtles, there is a new function available in the os.pull event. If you guys are familiar with pull events, it's basically you can wait for some event to happen in the world or in the computer interface itself before proceeding along in your program. And in the past, there's been many different events. To be honest with you, there's a bunch of events. You can wait for somebody to press a key on a keyboard. You can wait for a timer, an alarm. More often than not, you guys have seen me write programs where I've used the redstone event, where I'm waiting for a redstone effect. So if there's a piece of redstone that gets activated nearby, it'll trigger that event and cause the computer to continue. Now there's a new one that's available, and I'm going to show you it right here. It is the turtle inventory event. So you can simply say wait for the turtle's inventory to change in some way, and it's going to fire the event. So what I've done here is I've gone ahead and set it up so it'll fire this event whenever the turtle's inventory is changed. So let's run the test program. Notice that nothing's happening, and it'll continue for nothing to happen until some event is triggered, and that is some kind of inventory change. Boom. As soon as an inventory change occurs, when I clicked the seeds into the first slot in the inventory here, it fired the event. Now I can click them anywhere, or I even remove them. So any change in inventory is going to trigger this event. It doesn't have to be the currently highlighted slot. It doesn't have to be anything. Just any change. So items go in, items come out, boom, it's fired. So a pretty neat system that you could probably do a lot of cool stuff with. I could totally use this for my turtle mining wells, as a matter of fact, because, hey, those items are going into the turtle's inventory, right? Exactly. So the next thing I want to talk to you guys are resource packs. Resource packs in 1.6 are kind of the same thing almost as like texture packs, but you can do more than just textures with them. And what Computercraft has done is taken advantage of these resource packs. So right now we've got the default resource pack available. This is just like you would go in to change your texture pack, right? Not a big deal. And if we go over to this computer turtle right over here, we can go into the ROM folder. And if we list in the programs folder like so, you'll see that there's a bunch of programs here, right? Notice the E's. Eject, exit, okay? Edit, eject, and exit. Those are the three programs that start with E. All right, I'm going to close Minecraft and copy a zip file that I downloaded from the Computercraft forums into the resource packs folder, just like it was a texture pack. And I'm back. So let's go into the ROM folder now. And programs. And we'll see that now there's a program called example. So what this does is you can go ahead and download programs that other people have written as resource packs, and they can come as just a ton of different things, right? So for example, my button API that I've used in played with in the past, or the turtle mining well programs, or any other programs that I've supplied to you guys, I could create as a resource pack that you guys would install just like you were installing texture packs. Just open the resource packs folder in your .minecraft computer folder, and you'll see the example program out there. Now, if we run the example program, it'll simply say this is an example program to demonstrate loading programs from resource packs. Cool, right? So you don't have to do anything. You don't have to call anything. All you gotta do is, go ahead and drop this .zip file into the resource packs folder of your .minecraft computer directory, and you should be able to access all the programs that were included in that resource pack. Now, I'm going to go ahead and try to create a resource pack myself right now with my button API. Let's see if I have any luck. Alright, so I've gone ahead and included the button API in the resource pack that I was just playing around with. So I'm going to go ahead and set up a monitor right here above a turtle, and let's see what happens, or above a computer. Now, if we go into this brand new placed computer, just placed it down in the world, we should see that in the programs folder there is a button. Okay, and if we edit button, we should see it's the button API that I've shown you guys in the past. Now, obviously this API isn't like perfect or anything, but it should work to demonstrate to you guys. So let's edit a test button program, and we're going to do an os.load API ROM programs button, and that should work. Alright, I didn't find the file. I think I have to use the other slash here. There we go. So the program works. Now, obviously, I could play around with the button API and use it wherever I want. The cool thing about this is by installing this as a resource pack, it's instantly available to every computer and every turtle that you place in the world. So no longer do you guys have to, constantly paste bin, pull, and get all the different APIs and programs that you want to use and install them on each individual computer. As soon as you install it as a resource pack, it's instantly available on all your computers. And it's as easy as dragging a file into the resource packs folder into your .minecraft folder. Pretty awesome. And with that, guys, I think this is a pretty good wrapping up point for the Computercraft version 1.55 mod Spotlight. So I hope you guys enjoyed checking it out. It's definitely a pretty neat update. It takes advantage of some of the new functionality introduced in Minecraft version 1.6. It adds advanced color turtles, which is personally something I've been waiting for quite a while. The turtle inventory event is pretty neat, and the resource packs thing I think is going to completely change the way you guys distribute and download programs from each other. I'm sure a lot of people would like to see a resource pack with some of the programs that I have written in the past. To be honest with you, I should probably clean them up a little bit if I'm going to distribute it as a resource pack in a nice official manner. So, you know what? I'm sure at some point I definitely will. So look for that in the future. This is Direwolf20 signing off on the Computercraft version 1.55 Spotlight. Take it easy!